Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आमदार अपात्रतेविशीं 29 एप्रिलाक थारिल्लो निकाल 20 एप्रिल मेरेन आयल्यान हाडपाची सुचोवणी सुप्रीम कोर्टान सभापतीक केल्या. केस मंगळारा सुप्रीम कोर्टात सरन्यायाधीश बोबडेच्या खंडपीठा मुखार आयली. आमदार अपात्रता याचिकेचेर सभापती 29 एप्रिलाक निकाल दितलो म्हूण SG तुषार मेहतान सुप्रीम कोर्टाक सांगले. चीफ जस्टीस SA बोबडे 23 तारखेक रिटायर जाता. खंडपीठाक ही जाप मानवली ना. 29 तारखेक निकाल दिलो जाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे नव्या बेंचाक सगळे प्रकरण नव्यान समजून घेवचें पडटलें अशें निरीक्षण बोबडेन नोंद केलें. सभापती निकाल दिवंक ठरोवन वेळ काडटा म्हूण याचिकादार प्रदेश काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकाराच्या आदोगाद कपिल सिब्बलान दावो केलो. निकाल पयलीं दिवंक मेळटा जाल्यार पळयात म्हूण सरन्यायाधीश बोबडेन SG मेहताक सांगलें. उपरांत सभापतीन 20 एप्रिलाक निकाल दिवं येता म्हूण जाप दिली. सुप्रीम कोर्ट तितल्यार तयार जाला. निकाल दिल्या उपरांत दुसऱ्या दिसा 21 एप्रिलाक सुप्रीम कोर्टात केस निर्णायक सुनावणी घेतली.
We pointed out to the court that what is happening is basically the mockery of the proceeding under the 10th schedule. In terms of order of the Supreme Court in our matter of 10th of February, it was clearly recorded. It was recorded. The statement of the Solicitor General was recorded, saying that the matter is kept on 26th of February for final disposal. On that date, the matter was extensively argued, and the Honorable Speaker had reserved it for judgment. And thereafter, what has been happening is that he has been passing order in piecemeal. He has been passing order on some applications which have been filed in the matter, and in that bargain, the main order is getting delayed. So therefore, we requested that the court that they should be directed to do it fast.
सर दोन्ही मेटल क्लब आहे इथून MGP and so this order इथून MGP च्या केसीन जावपाक शकता.
हय, both the matters are tagged. Both the matter filed by Indian National Congress and Maharashtra Gomantak Party in the Supreme Court are tagged together. So this order will be applicable for both the matters.
Prudent खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.